Hello and welcome to the Complete JavaScript course. Thank you for signing up and for becoming a part of this course. This is your course. I designed and built it just for you. So after a month of planning, researching, filming, and perfecting every aspect of the course, this is the best product that I've ever created. And I really hope that it shows and that you're going to enjoy every minute of it. So why JavaScript and not something else? And that's actually an easy answer, because today JavaScript is really the language that powers the entire internet. It allows developers to add complex dynamics to websites and web apps, and it also allows us to use all of these popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Node.js to build even more advanced web applications. Now, all of this requires a deep and true knowledge of the JavaScript language. But the problem is that many times JavaScript can be really confusing and hard to learn. And that's why I decided that I had to build this course, which is the course that I wish that I had when I first learned JavaScript, to help you take your web development career to the next level. So this really is a complete course. We go all the way from the basics to the theory and the really advanced stuff. And we're also going to build two real-world beautiful apps that you're going to be really proud of. So let's now see what we're going to talk about in this course. So we're going to kick off the course with the very basics of the JavaScript language and of programming in general, so that you gain a very good foundation for the rest of the course. After that, we're going to take a look behind the scenes of the JavaScript language, so that you learn how JavaScript actually works. And this is going to be a good blend of theory and practical lectures that are designed specifically so that you can gain the knowledge that many JavaScript beginners out there simply don't have. So this is going to be a very important section. We then move on to our very first project, where we're going to use JavaScript in the browser for the very first time. So we're going to code up this very cool game where we make JavaScript actually interact with an HTML web page. Really cool, right? Okay, and after that, we're going to take a deep dive into some of the most advanced features of the language, which is objects and functions. So we're going to talk about advanced stuff like prototype inheritance, first class functions, and closures, and also a lot more. And finally, our biggest real-world project, where everything that we learned up until that point comes together and starts making even more sense. So we're going to code this beautiful budget app where you can track incomes and expenses and calculate the global budget for a month. So really cool again. And you're still going to learn lots of new stuff in this project, like how to structure and organize your code and how to actually think about problems and solutions. So this is really the coolest and biggest part of the course. Okay, and finally, we're going to move on to the new modern version of JavaScript, which is ES6 or ES 2015, so that you're always up to date with your JavaScript skills. And so in this section, we're going to take a look at some of the new features of the language and also see some practical applications. Okay, and that's what we're going to cover in this course. And I also included some coding challenges for you so that you can immediately practice what you learn. And to make this even better, I also included a 30-question exam for you to test out your knowledge that you gained from this course. And now I hope that you have a lot of fun with this course and that you're really going to become a better web developer. So without further ado, let's dive right in.